This is how you can swipe type on the iPad. At first, open up the settings. So locate the settings icon, then tap on the general section on the left panel. And from the options here, go to the keyboard right away. And so many different toggles, so scroll down a bit more. And there is this section for me, it is titled English and French. And there is the ability to enable the slide on a floating keyboard to type. Now, as you can see, the keyword here is floating keyboard. The point is, however, that when you have the full screen software keyboard on the iPad, well, you cannot swipe type on this one. What you need to do at first is to pinch it in and make the keyboard smaller. And there you can use the swiping feature to type in text. And I mean, it is intuitive and it makes sense because when it's smaller, you can easily just navigate through the letters. On this large screen, it's a little bit harder, but I mean, yeah, Apple could easily enable this, but simply they didn't. So this is what we need to stick with. Another thing to consider is the languages. As I mentioned, the language selections for me were English and French, meaning that even if I have some other language added to my keyboard, a different one may not support the swiping feature. So just use the one which you want and see if it works. And if not, just add English and you're going to be able to swipe on English keyboard as well, even though only English words are going to be recognized. But yeah, it just doesn't work for every language. Besides that, you can still get a third-party app from the App Store to replace your iPad keyboard. You can try the Microsoft Swift key, which should easily just let you swipe on the keyboard, so try that. And even other apps should be available for this purpose too. So that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want more direct to the point tutorials, then subscribe to Foxtecc and I'll see you in the next video.